Good afternoon, stock stalkers. Welcome back to the channel. Markets are bleeding as expected, and we can see most of the stocks today are in red. And as of now, while I'm making this video, market is down by, we can say, 20 points. That is roughly 0.5%. And talking about ADX market, it's down by 0.078%. And we can see most of the stocks have gapped down and are in red. Let's go to the chart and see. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. As of now, we can see it's at 4,182 points. We are seeing a solid red candle right here. This is the red candle. Today it opened and tried to go up. It touched 4,200. That is resistance area for now. And we can see as of now market is still open. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And market for now is bleeding. We are seeing selling pressure. And if we talk about Abu Dhabi stock market index, then we can see it's taking a pause. During the day it came till about 9,780 and then it has taken a bounce. For now we don't know where exactly it will close. Market is still open, and if it closes at the current level as it is, then there are good chances tomorrow it may recover and go up. But if it closes below 9,800 or somewhere in this zone, then expect a sideways momentum in the market, because here is support and here is resistance. So the index will be stuck within this range till the time it does not break either to the upside or to the downside. So it's in a tricky situation as of now. With yesterday's closing, I was bullish that it will go up, but looking at the international scenario, markets are under pressure. Most of the markets are in red. As you can see, all the tickers mostly are in red. We are not seeing much of green today. Talking about Dow Jones, it was down by more than 1.25%, and Indian markets are down by more than 1%. Very scary. And if I happen to check the stocks, Emirates NBD Bank is surviving as of now. It opened with a gap up and it's now taking support at the previous candle's close. So this at least looks safe. This is a heavy weighted stock in Dubai Financial Market Index. DIB is taking a beating. We can see it also opened with a gap up and it has broken the support of 5.80 area. This is looking scary. Very soon it has to recover and come back above the support area, or else it can even come down to retest 5.70 area. DIC is also under pressure. We can see it opened with a gap down. Yesterday's closing was 2.53 and now it's trading at 2.50. Opening was at 2.51 area. So for now it is still looking safe. It's right near the support. No issues. Buying momentum is still there, but we want to now see a breakout of 2.53. Al Ansari still sideways, nothing interesting. And Emaar Properties is now under pressure. This is the place where I had asked my members to book the profits, because we can already see it's a bit extended and it's right near the resistance area. So I hope members have booked their profits. For now we can see selling pressure. Opened with a small gap up, could not survive at the minor support area, and now we are seeing selling pressure. So where is the next support if it does not hold at current level? This is also a support area, that is 8.00. If this fails, then it can even come down till about 7.90. Diva, nothing interesting. As we know, it's just going down or sideways. We are waiting for the breakout. And Salik is looking interesting. Right here it's in a chart pattern, and good, it is taking a pause right near the resistance area, because buying have started from this area, that is 3.21, went up, got rejected. Now if it goes sideways here and then if it makes a breakout, then this will be sustainable. We can expect a continuation of the upside momentum, else it can even come down to retest the same support, that is this trend line. We can see it is acting as support. So Salik is looking interesting. Empower still sideways, no big move. Then talking about Tcom, most of the stocks as we are seeing are in red. Then Tcom is in an uptrend for now, but with very thin volumes. Yesterday's candle was very promising and we were expecting upside momentum. Today it has opened with a gap down. So far it's still trading at the same area, that is 2.70. Union Cooperative still stuck within this range. Talim is good, but now we can see the same support area is now acting as resistance. Previously we saw strong selling pressure right into this zone, that is around 4.10. Exactly at the same scenario we are seeing a rejection. DR is looking very scary. It has broken the trend line. This was the trend line that was acting as a support right here, and we are seeing it has already broken this support. Now next support area is this one, that is around 0.660. so let's see how it performs or how it reacts near the support zone. Also we can see a bearish chart pattern. This is the shoulder head and this is the shoulder again. So we are seeing a breakout of this neckline. This is negative. No wonder we are seeing selling pressure. UPP is just surviving right near the support area. Very tricky. We are seeing selling pressure for more than 2 weeks. No recovery yet, but still surviving above the support. Air Arabia is looking interesting. Yesterday we saw a breakout right here, and check this out. Today it opened with a gap down. Yesterday's closing is at 2.88. Today it opened around 2.87. For now trading at 2.84. This is a good opportunity. I think if it comes back again at the same area around 2.80, then this zone should act as support. Right here, this zone should act as a support, and then we can see fresh buying momentum. Next resistance area or next target should be around 3.00. I will post a detailed video on this one for members. You may watch it. GFH is looking interesting. We are seeing good bounce. Also, they had made an announcement. They are buying back the shares. So this is a good thing, but for now we are seeing as the market is under pressure. For now we are seeing inside day candle. Most likely it can come down to retest this area, that is around 0.960. And then Ajman Bank, nothing interesting, but now it's approaching support area. Right here, this is the support. So I would like to see how it is performing near this support zone. Either we are seeing a bounce, or is it going sideways, or is it breaking the support? If it does, then we can expect it to come down till about 2.05 as well. For now, stocking mode. And then IHC, thankfully it's surviving and it's in green because it's right above the support area, that is 400, and now we are seeing some buying pressure is coming in. So this is sustaining the market, as this is one of the most heavy weighted stock on the market index. Aldar performed very well yesterday, and today we are seeing it open with a gap down. Yesterday's closing is at 5.99. Today it opened with a gap down at 5.94 area. For now trading at 5.92. Still in the safe zone, but now it has made a inside candle. Market is still open. It should not break the low of this candle. If that happens, then we can expect selling pressure coming below 5.72 area. And then Multiply, nothing interesting. It is at a very crucial support area, that is around 3.95 to 4.00. We are seeing it's surviving just above the support for so many days. With today's candle, it opened with a gap down. Yesterday's closing was positive 4.03. When today it opened with a gap down, this was a clear indication something is wrong. For now, it's again taking a bounce from the support zone. If this is broken out, then we can expect it to come down till about 3.85 area. So Multiply is looking scary. And then we have Q Holding is about to break the support, that is this trend line. Right here we can see for now this trend line is holding very well. We do not want to see a breakdown and close below this trend line. So hopefully during the day we can see some recovery coming in, and it closes around the same price or at least at 3.65. If this does not happen, then tomorrow would be a last chance. We want to see it opening with a gap up and jumping back above the trend line again. If it does not happen, then be ready. It can even come down to revisit 3.55 area. Apex under pressure. Buruj, nothing interesting. It's in a downtrend. Burjeel is surviving as of now. We can see a breakout of this trend line right here. Previously we saw this trend line was respected again and again, and then we are seeing a breakdown of this support. So this for now is looking a bit scary. Today it opened with a gap down around 2.94. I want it to climb back above the trend line so that we can call it safe, and most likely when it will try to climb up, this will act as a resistance, that is 3.02 area. So let it get back above the trend line and then we can call it bullish and safe too. Pre-side, even after the news, it's not able to do any wonders. We are seeing it's just going down. Well, this can be a beginning of a fresh trend to the upside. For that, we will have to wait for a close above 3.05. For now, stalking mode. And then Bayanat, nothing interesting for now. It's looking a bit scary. We can see it's forming this round cup handle formation. If it breaks the neckline that is around 3.90, then be ready, it can even come down to visit 3.70 area. M steel, nothing interesting, just going sideways. Rack properties, I'm still holding my position. It's not under too much of selling pressure, it's just surviving. And previously we had this range. After the breakout of this range, I had purchased this one, or I had my entries right here about 1.15, 1.16 and 1.17 as well. I had shared my trade for members, and for now I'm still holding this one. Americana, nothing interesting. We can see it's just under selling pressure, so we wait for a price action to confirm this one. And we had spoken about Fertiglobe in members video too, that it has made a breakout today. Unfortunately, with the negative sentiments, it's not performing, but thankfully volume is thin. It means big boys are still holding this one. Invictus, as usual, nothing interesting. It's just going down south. Avoid this one. And then I have ADNOC Ports. We are seeing some good price action. It's trying to survive above 6.35 area, so this is still safe. I want it to go up and break the resistance of 6.5 to see 6.70 coming. So for now, ADNOC Ports is still safe. ADNOC Distribution, after the price adjustment of dividends today, it opened with a big gap down. So obviously it will try to go sideways, recover, and then maybe it will try to fill up the gap. So if you are holding ADNOC Distribution, obviously you are entitled for dividends, and now wait for the price action to go up so that you can benefit through the price and through the dividends as well. ADNOC Drilling, still surviving as the market sentiments are negative. It's trying to go up, but today it opened with a gap down for now at 4.01. Hopefully it does not fall any further. Sideways momentum is expected, and then eventually a upside momentum. ADNOC Gas, also similar kind of scenario. We are seeing selling pressure. As of now, it's sustaining itself above the support zone that is around 3.50. So once it breaks this zone, that's when we will call it negative. For now, it is still above the support. It is safe. We want to see a resistance breakout at about 3.52 area. ADNOC CLS, it's looking good right above the support zone, and it's holding very well. As expected, many stocks open with gap down. Even ADNOC CLS opened with a gap down, so we can't blame this stock. And now it's just near the support. So in case if it breaks this one, this will turn to be negative, but I'm pretty sure it will survive above this support area. Ishraq, as usual, nothing interesting, still under selling pressure. Manazil have broken the trend line. This is scary. No positive news coming out from Manazil. So let's wait and see how it's performing at current level. Most likely, I think it should revisit this area that is around 0.350. And then finally, Taka, still nothing interesting. We are seeing a breakout of this chart pattern right here. And then after the breakout, it's not able to recover. This was the fall, and it hardly recovered 30% or 40%, and then again to the downside. For it to be bullish, we want to see a recovery and a close above resistance that is 0.910. So that's it, guys. This was a quick update on the market. As of now, it's under selling pressure. Hold your horses. Market will give us opportunities. For more updates, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.